Assalamu alaikum friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to my pet fish. I have 9 pet fish. They are called goldfish and they live in cold water. I really like fish. They all have long tails and their skin shimmer like the sun. They are very scaly. I have one favourite and his name is called Felix. He is orange and silver. He is the biggest of them all. My baby brother likes to look at the fish.
Once upon a time, there was a big, fat, greedy fish. His name was Fatty. Fatty was the fattest of all fishes in the lake. One day, when the person came to drop food in the lake for the fish, when the other fish came, it was all gone. They realized only Fatty would eat all of that food. So then, one day, Fatty had enough of trying different foods and he started to go out into the sea. But Fatty didn't realize how dangerous was the sea is. Like where the sharks swim and where the stone poisonous fish lurk in the shadows. So when he went out, he accidentally went in a shark territory. So he saw a big black fin with a white tip above the water. He quickly zoomed down as fast as he can to see what it was. He realized that the sea was much more dangerous than the lake. He really decided he wanted to go back. Suddenly, Fatty saw a massive shark right in front of her. She managed to escape and went back to the lake. She apologized to all the fishes and said she will never ever be greedy again. The end. Bye.